Hi guys! Today I'm taking a look at the TERRO outdoor liquid ant bait stations. I've been having issues with ants this year. Inside the package, you get 4 bait stations that are designed for outdoor use to help deal with ant problems before they make their way into your house. One thing I like is that they're ready to use. There's no mixing, spraying, or measuring. You just activate the bait station and place it where you've been seeing ant activity. They're low profile, easy to place, and designed to stay outside where the ants are already active. The idea is that worker ants are attracted to the bait, take it back to the colony, and share it with other ants. Instead of just dealing with the ants you happen to see, the bait is designed to target the source of the problem. If you take a closer look, you can see where the ants enter the station and access the liquid bait inside. Make sure you hold the station's level when placing so you don't spill the liquid. For my setup, I'm placing one station near each corner of the house in areas where ants are likely to travel. According to TERRO, you should start seeing fewer ants within a few days as the bait begins to work. One thing I appreciate is that these let you target the ants outdoors before they end up becoming a bigger problem inside the house. I also like that once they're in place, there's really not much else you need to do other than let them do their job. The 4-pack makes it easy to cover multiple areas around the home, whether that's along the foundation, near entry points, or wherever you've been noticing ant activity.